time using this camera and you're on it. What have you got to say, Eileen? I say I'm always going to say I'm not going to do that, but Chris, Lindsay, Zechariah, Adelyn, wave at me. Let's have a look. I see a turtle over there. Let's see who's the first person to see the gator.
Yeah, I did. It's a nature walk.
Yes, yes. Hello.
Hey, howdy.
Happy holidays.
Yes, same to you. Yeah, Merry Christmas.
Yeah, they've gotten rid of the Merry Christmas, now it's Happy Holidays.
Yeah, I don't do that. I mean, I'll say it if people say Happy Holidays, but what's going on here? Am I even... Do you know, I don't even think I was recording. I'm like, why has it gone off? No, actually, I am recording. Lindsay, have you got good eyes?
Not really. But
Can you look and see if that thing is counting?
yeah, it is.
Okay, so it is recording. Oh, look at those pretty yellow flowers.
Those are pretty. It's gorgeous. Nothing.
Let's have a look. Oh, actually, Chris, they've actually dismantled the lookout too.
Oh, they did.
I think maybe the hurricane.
What is it? You see it? That's where we used to go when we first came here. The first time we went over there to go look at.
Yeah, it's gone.
Wow, the whole boardwalk is gone. The lookout's gone.
That sucks.
Yeah,
Shit, I can fix that.
this is probably the one they've done first, so there won't be a way in. Not mine. We live in Pasco. This is Hillsborough. Maybe the gators were blown away by the hurricane too. Yeah, this is actually nice. They've done a good job on this new boardwalk. Now, this was closed for the longest time, and now it's open again. Let me stop. This will be...
This one's bigger though. I like the roots. I love when trees do this.
Me too. It's a bald cypress. I'm a bald American. Look, there's my son, my grandson. This is where I came with one time with Sam and Michelle. And this has been closed forever.
This part?
This part. Up there where the other part's closed, this was closed for a long time. But this is completely new. They have rebuilt this completely.
It looks good.
And you know what? this kind of stuff will never wear out, I guess. And me and Sam and Michelle and Eileen stood under here while it poured.
Oh no, it is, because look at, you can see the gold diamonds on it.
Wow, there's a water moccasin down there. I don't know if it'll pick it up though. I should get my
Yeah, go
camera.
climb down there and get it.
Yeah, right.
It
Don't
doesn't say
molest it.
It doesn't say don't molest.
Hey, people, leave those snakes alone. Right, straight down. My wife and my amazing daughter-in-law. I know. It does look very green in here right now. Oh, this is where they used to say there were owls, but we've never seen them.
I've entered it. It doesn't.
I know. Doesn't even say it anymore.
I never ever saw one.
No. Hey, Eileen. This could be our last time coming here. Before we move to France.
Beautiful day, right?
Sure is.
I would never move over here.
See this? Isn't it weird how the water looks like it's coming out from that tree?
Yeah, it does.
It does. What?
It's coming out of the tree.
What?
It's because the current's hitting it,
Yeah,
pushing it. It's going down here.
it's moving quite fast actually.
It is. I wanted that.
Here's my amazing son, Chris. My amazing
No.
grandson.
What was it? Okay.
Mosquito, get
And my
off.
amazing. Oh, are there?
Oh, me too.
I don't like mosquitoes. Let's get out of here.
Yeah, 'cause we're by the water, so.